What's going on, everyone? For our Build Week project, we were given the task of creating a Spotify song recommendations app. We were charged with the question, if given a large list of songs, along with some stats on those songs, could you be presented with a single song from a user and build a list of recommendations based on that song that the listener would not only find enjoyable, but perhaps even might find their next favorite song? And do that for literally any song that a user could throw at us. Challenge accepted, said my team. So that brings us to Spotifier. This is our landing page. Credit Leza Jackson, incredible work, madam. Hats off to you. From our landing page, you'll go up to our login to actually access the application. From here, you'll have to create an account. I already have one, and I'm not going to bore you through the process of walking through that. I'm just going to log straight in. But as soon as we're actually into the application dashboard, you'll see that the main component you'll be working with here is our search bar. Being the gym rat that I am, I'm just going to search for 3 Days Grace. If you've been to any gym, you know that they play this song at least 5 times an hour. And just choosing one at random. Let's see what this one is. All right, whatever this is. You'll see that we have 3 main components here to work with once we've chosen our song from our search bar. This first one, just your typical run-of-the-mill information, artist, track, duration, and you're able to play the song directly through Spotify, which I'll demonstrate now. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be adding that to my actual list of favorite songs, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to save that song to the Save Songs tab up here, and it's been added. And I'll get to that in a second. Just to continue walking through our main dashboard interface, on the right here, we have our list of song recommendations. You can click on any of these guys over here, and it'll bring you to a dashboard for the new song. And from here, it gives you now a list of recommendations for the new song that you've chosen. And you're able to just go down the rabbit hole, much like you would on a YouTube recommendations list. Lastly, down here, we have our the quantifiable metrics of music that were provided via Spotify. So that's danceability, energy, instrumentalness, stuff like that. And you're able to play around with this as much as you want. Moving on to our Save Songs tab. As you can see, I've been playing around with this a lot already. And here's a list of songs that I've actually been finding I like quite a lot already. But say, for example, that song that I didn't like very much, that I just showed, but I did add to my Save Songs, I'm able to remove it with this simple remove track. And as you can see, it's no longer there. However, the rest of these songs, if I want to listen to any of them, I can go ahead and just go right back to View and Dashboard. And that kind of shows you the general loop that you can use within our app. Now, in order to show you what's going on underneath the hood, from the machine learning side, we use something called K-nearest neighbors. And here, I just have a sample of 10,000 songs plotted in 3 dimensions according to popularity, danceability, and valence. And they are colored from cool to warm in terms of valence, and then they're sized from popularity, largest to smallest, from popularity increasing to more popular. And the way our model works is you can zoom in, and any song that you're going and finding, it is what our machine learning algorithm is doing is it is finding all the songs in the vicinity according to those numeric metrics. In this case, it's only 3 in these 3 dimensions, but our actual machine learning algorithm uses 14. And it returns a list of recommendations based on those songs in that vicinity. And to even show you a more zoomed in example, here is one song along with 25 of its nearest neighbors, its recommendations. And you're able to visually see what's going on and just see what the nearest neighbors were, see what the most recommended songs would have been based on our algorithm. And for the most part, that really sums up the gist of our application. Quickly, just our team, incredible group of guys and gals. It's been a pleasure working with you. And from here, I want to open up the floor to any audience members that have any questions for us.